To remove the slider, first remove the Russian pad and add a little under it. You can also open it without a pad, but the teeth may be damaged if you use a pad. If you use a screwdriver, you cannot damage the teeth. This is the same. Open it a little bit first. Look here, open it a little bit first. Then insert the screwdriver. After disassembling it a little, the electric stove will tear your nails. Clip it a few more times and seal it about 3 times. Open it and the slider will be removed. Now there are 2 sliders that do not require disassembly. Remove it first. If you install the first one, you must press it firmly on the sides. If it is not pressed firmly, it will not fit. Press the sides firmly first. Slowly put it in from the bottom. Pinch both sides with your hands a little and move it forward. That's it. We can put the screws in. There are a lot of bags on this one. It hasn't been used for several years. You can install it now and break it a little later. This is it. The second screw should be bigger. Use the same method to insert it first. Insert it first. Pull the battery cover inside. Slowly put the base in. If it doesn't fit well in one time, put it in twice. When installing, use your hands to pull the batteries on both sides to the middle a little bit. Squeeze it a little bit during the movement. If you put it directly at the end, it probably won't fit. This is installed. Once you are proficient, it will be quite fast. After you are proficient, it will take about a minute to turn it. If you are not proficient, it may take 5 minutes. Basically, it is not too difficult. This place is a little spicy. Okay, the sheep are all installed. Take a look. It's not very difficult. Basically, familiarity makes perfect. If you are proficient, it can basically solve the problem in 1 minute. I hope you like our video. If you like, don't forget to hit subscribe button for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.